We have to wait for Cool Dancer. Ready once again. Racing just is started. We have My Son Diego break quickly at the start, moving up now on the outside. Moncherry, then followed over by Archangel. Inspiration comes next. Affirmation, Awesome Ashley moving up on the outside. Cool Dancer, then followed over by Jetburn, and going along for the first turn we have Moncherry by about 3 lengths. Archangel in second. Awesome Ashley comes next. Inspiration alongside, then followed over by Affirmation. Next online is My Son Diego. Perfection, Cool Dancer, then followed over by Supreme Leader. Moving up on the outside is Tirad Pass, Dark Hero, Jetborn, Substantial Racing second last, while City of Gold is racing in 14th. Inside the 3 Octavo, we have Moncherry maintaining a 2 lengths lead. Archangel now trying to get closer in second. Inspiration, then here comes Tirad Pass, now moving up to take third. Supreme Leader comes next. Cool Dancer, Awesome Ashley, and Diana went entering the home stretch. We have Moncherry by over the length, and on the outside now is Tirad Pass. 2 entries now, party round for the lead. Moncherry, Tirad Pass moving up now on the outside, but it's still Moncherry followed by Tirad Pass on the outside, but it's still Moncherry back to 2 lengths lead, and finally it's Moncherry, Tirad Pass, Supreme Leader, Cool Dancer, Perfection, and Archangel for your Super